Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create variables within MainView SRM. So to begin with, we need to go to our SMVars member or our variable definitions member. And to do that, we go to we use the AD view, which pulls up all of our active members, and we see that we got our SMVars member right down here. Now creating variables is very useful because the variable can contain pretty much any resource. So it's just a list of resources that can be used for variable substitution in any of the function list members or the rule list members or any of our filter dialogues. So we're going to go and update this. Now let's just max down to the bottom. All right, so we've got some variables already defined here, but let's say, we're gonna do a repeat on that one right there. And the variable is the name for our variable. So ampersand, whatever the name will be. So let's just call this user DSN, all right? And we're going to give it some values. So these are user data sets, and we're going to mask them. So MKT would be a set of users. RDG would be a set of users. RDC would be a set of users, and SLS would also be a set of users. Now, it's this set of variables is only, in simple context, only 4, but because it could be MKT and any number of characters for all the user IDs associated to the MKT department, and then the last set of characters would be some set of initials or some other form of identifier. So we're going to be incorporating a lot of user IDs for this variable. So once we have the user DSN set up, all right, so now we've got our variable set up. And to go over to a function, let's just say that we're going to allow those to go multi-volume, certain data sets. All right, we'll use a very simple example here. So we're going to edit this rule, all right, and we're gonna repeat these steps right here, and we're going to set them to 10 volumes, and the DSN is ampersand user DSN, but we don't want all user type data sets to go, so we're going to put some other criteria on here. We're going to say DSORG equals PS and SMS equals Y. So they have to be SMS managed, they have to be physical sequential, and they have to be within that variable. So we save that. We need to go back to our members because now we've made 2 updates. We've updated our variable member, we've updated a rule for the SpecVol function. So we need to go and refresh at the high order of the members within SRM. So we're going to go back and refresh the SMM sys00. We have 2 LPARs on the system. We will use the MainView context all command to context both LPARs in, and we're going to do a refresh on both for both LPARs at the system parameter level. Do the R and hit enter, and we come back. Everything is refreshed. Our variable is now loaded into storage. A rule has been loaded in storage, and we're ready to go. That's how you set up a variable and the resources for that variable, and using it in an allocation function. Thank you.